Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. We'll take a look at ATAI, ATAI Life Sciences BV. So without further ado, let's take a look at the daily chart. Now, first of all, we see that there is a very large green candle. Okay, yesterday on very heavy volume, something is happening, but we'll look at the news, but from a technical point of view. So this stock bottom as it hits the 200-day moving average, bearish momentum slow down and forms a bottoming tail which hinted that it will go up. And here's another bottoming tail that hints that it wants to go up. Then it declines a bit with two bottoming tails. A very clear sign that it wants to go up, and when it broke this downtrend line, it just shot up. Okay, maybe it's like some kind of a cup with handle variation as well. The cup here and the handle, and then the breakout higher. So if we treat it as a cup with handle, take the height of it. Just saying that it's a variation of the cup handle. Does it break out? Well, it has met the first target. So sometimes you have to be observant of this kind of patterns, cup with handle variation, and that's why it broke higher as it breaks this downtrend line. And the stock actually collapsed a bit here as it broke the uptrend line. Now, if we look at the price action, in the left there are resistance area, here, and we need to look at this resistance area. But first, let's take a look. Okay, it formed a double top here, and then it broke an uptrend line, and that's where the damage happens. But then it formed some kind of a double bottom, went back above the 50 MA, 20 MA, and shot back up. So this will be an area of support in the future, which you want to take a look at. This will be an area of support, and the 200 MA and these lows here will also be an area of support. Now, what I'm interested to see is the stock breaks above this highs here. You can see these two topping tails hinted of a decline. So always remember, when you see double topping tail, you have to be careful if it's the weekly chart. Now this area is, let me just drag over here. This area is a significant resistance area. Perhaps I should color it red first, because the stock has not been able to go above the area yet. So this is a significant resistance area, and resistance areas are not easy to overcome. Every time it goes up, declines, goes up, form two topping tail, clear sign that it wants to decline, goes up, unable to do so, trade sideways, goes up, doji forms, decline. But I believe that a weekly uptrend is about to begin, because the stock has gone above the 50 MA and 20 MA, and here's a bullish cross. And what we want to see right now is for the stock to move above here, just go slightly above, and then this resistance area, once overcome, will become a new support. So if that happens, this area will become a new support area. Let me just color it green for you to see. Okay, this color will be okay. Lows, higher lows, bullish cross. If it goes above and declines to the support area, it is a very good area to buy. Now, Let's go back to the daily chart. So sorry, my internet is a bit slow. The correct buy area for this stock was about here as it breaks above the downtrend line and this cup and handle variation forms. So if you are thinking of buying here, you might be a bit late because you're at resistance. You might want to see it go up a bit, decline, and find a viable setup. Now, heavy volume as it goes up can be very promising because this might hint of the start of a new uptrend. Let me just go to the monthly chart. The stock is a long way from its highs, and you can see the stock all the way down here. There'll be a lot of resistance areas here, so don't think it'll be easy. You have resistance areas here, 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 and of course here as well. So the stock was below the 20 MA, broke down below this support area, and that's why it declined all the way down below the 20 MA and 50 MA until recently. It is you can see how it was below the 50 MA in the weekly charts, so it was not a good time to invest in the stock. Until now, we have a bullish cross, the first bullish cross in the weekly chart, where the 20 MA goes above the 50 MA, and this might usher in a new uptrend. So in the 60-minute chart, you can see as it breaks the downtrend line, kind of bottoming tail. You could have bought here, place a stop loss, and ride it higher. Okay, 60-minute chart also found around the bottom, and a bullish cross happened. So usually what you can do when around the bottom forms is to look at the consolidation. The moment there's a bullish cross and it breaks above the consolidation, you buy it and you put a stop loss and just ride it higher. Of course, this decline might scare you off, but that's the beauty of the rounded bottom with a bullish cross. Usually, rounded bottom in 60-minute charts and a bullish cross can have very good risk to reward ratios. If you long the position around here and ride it higher, yeah, a risk to reward ratio of 4.71. So at this moment, to stay bullish buyers, if it's able to stay above this support area, what we really want it to see is for it to go to 260, even 270. Let me just go to the daily chart again. So sorry, the internet is so slow here. Right, what I really want it to see is for it to go up to 260 something, and as it means this resistance area, it declines and forms a viable dip, and then you can ride it higher until here. Yeah, there's resistance around here as well. So it takes time to absorb the resistance area here. Okay, this was a gap down resistance area, and it took about 4 times to absorb the supply here. So with this kind of resistance area, I would say it's better for you to go up, decline, go up, decline, go up, decline, and every dip, if there is a viable setup, then you trade it. So I hope that this analysis has been helpful to you. If it's helpful and you learned something, like my video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.